Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss why ETA travel is replacing visa free travel. So make sure you watch it till the end. This is my analysis and I want to confirm neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, for non-visa required countries, Canada has ETA, USA has ESTA, Australia, New Zealand, they have their own process, and now UK has also started ETA for many countries, and for other European Union countries they are going to have ESTA pretty soon. And I read in news that even Thailand is moving towards it. So why are they doing it? So guys, visa free travel is a really good thing for trade, tourism and many other sectors, but everything comes with certain risks too. When you say visa free travel, means anybody who holds a valid passport of the country can board a flight or come by road or whatever rules they implement. Okay. So basically you don't know them, right? Who is coming in and who is who are they? If they have done something wrong that they should not be allowed in. So what happens like when people come to the border, okay, what is found that due to some reasons they are getting entry denied. Okay, it could be various things in the background, past background, criminality and many other things. But with an ETA, government knows who wants to come in so that they can do their checks in advance, and in case they think okay, this person is not suitable to come in, they can stop it in advance. They keep a database about people, those who want to come in, so that they have some control over it. So this is the reason. There's nothing wrong about it, and I really support. Like, I have traveled to USA ESTA free because I have gone to USA by road only, and still it's not implemented. But the way things are changing in the world, if after some time it get implemented, I'm not gonna be surprised. So this is what I want to discuss, guys. Let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.